Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to pay with Klarna on Shein. So let's get into the video. So firstly open up Shein, and then once you open up Shein, log into your Shein account. So if you have an account, log into your Shein account. So now what we're going to do, if you want to use Klarna for your payment, first of all make any purchase. So for example, just add an item to your cart, so any item, and go to the payment section. So for example here, let me check out with this. So once I add it to my cart, then check out with it. And then when you check out, if you scroll down here, so when you get to this payment section, scroll down your payment method, scroll down under the payment method. Then what you're going to do, you're going to select this buy now pay later option, because if you want to pay with Klarna, you're going to simply select this option here, buy now and pay later. So select that, and then here it's going to ask you which option you're going to choose. You're going to choose Klarna here because we're going to pay with Klarna. Simply select Klarna and then hit on confirm. So when you hit on confirm, next you go to authenticate your Klarna login. So it will take you to your Klarna page where you go to authenticate your login, and once that's done, that's it. You'll be able to complete this transaction. So that's pretty much it is. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.